What up, fam? Manly Brandon.
And DJ.
And today we've got spicy queso Ritz bits. So we're going to give this a shot. I love Ritz bits. I love queso. So hopefully both of them together is a winning combination.
Probably the powdery stuff, though.
Oh. They look like some regular Ritz bits.
Cheers.
Cheers. It tastes a little bit of spice in there, but
Tastes like a Ritz bit.
yeah, I think they're good. Nothing special though. What do you think?
6.5 out of 10.
I can live with that. All right, peace.